friends, welcome back to Anina Trends. Today here I am with another type of metallic Jhumka tutorial, and if suppose you are watching for the first time, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. And let's get started. To make this metallic Jhumka, the materials required are Jhumka base, hard glue, ball chain, paint and some stick to hold and level the ball chain. So load your Jhumka base to a stick and apply generous amount of hard glue. Here I am using this quick fix. You can also use any hard glue that is available in your place. So after this, stick your ball chain. Hold the ball chain and rotate the Jhumka base, that is rotate your stick so that it will be easier for you to stick your ball chain over the Jhumka. From the second line you can just adjust the level of the ball chain in the bottom line. So apply generous amount as I said. So finish the whole Jhumka by sticking this ball chain. So we are done with sticking the ball chain and let it dry for some time, and then we can just start applying the acrylic paint, that is black paint. So here I have both the gold ball chain Jhumka and also silver ball chain Jhumka to show you the difference. So here I am with black paint. Apply generous amount of paint over the Jhumka base. It should reach the base also, that is the white Jhumka base also. Okay, if suppose you couldn't reach it with brushes, you can just use sponge to apply your paint. So here I am using sponge to apply paint, and once I let it dry for some time. Now here I am with the damp cloth, that is wet cloth, to wipe off the paint over the top layer of the Jhumka. That will give you the nice metallic effect, antique Jhumka effect. That is the main trick here. Here I am using paper towel, that is like cloth tissue, wet one. You can use any other normal cloth also. So as similar to this, wipe off the top paint layer for the gold Jhumka also, that is the gold ball Jhumka. Okay, not only the wet wipes, you can also use dry wipes if it's required. As you wipe off, you will get to know whether you want any wet one or dry one. You can just easily wipe off and you will get this beautiful metallic Jhumka with antique look or German silver look Okay, and if suppose you like this idea, you can just give it a like and share it with your friends. And if suppose you're watching for the first time, you can just click on that red color subscribe button. Okay. So our beautiful metallic jhumkas are ready in both gold and silver. You can just give it a try and let me know. Okay, and please don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section. Till then, take care friends. Bye bye.